heating or drying problems with your Frigidaire dryer? No worries. Here are some easy steps to try. If you have a gas model, make sure the gas supply valve is open and the dryer has enough air supply to support the burner flame. Please note, an empty gas supply tank or utility interruption could also be the cause. Remember, gas models should be connected to a 120-volt circuit. You can check installation instructions for more information about your model. If you have an electric model, remember, electric models should be connected to a 240-volt circuit. If connected to a 208-volt circuit, your drying times will be increased 20%. Here are some additional tips to resolve common drying or heating issues. Check that you have selected the appropriate temperature setting for your load. Remember, if your load is too big, it will take longer for clothes to dry. Check that your dryer has proper ventilation. Clean the lint filter after every use to avoid clogs. Do not use your dryer if the lint filter is blocked, damaged, or missing. Ensure the exhaust duct is not restricted. The duct must be at least 4 inches in diameter and made of rigid or semi-rigid metal. For electric dryers, ensure the dryer fuses are not blown. If the circuit is blown, the dryer drum may still turn, but the heater will not operate. Leave room for the items in the dryer to tumble freely, so you can avoid damp areas on your clothing. It's recommended to fill the drum 1/3 to 1/2 full. This also helps reduce wrinkling. Drying times may be increased in areas with high humidity. If you're drying a large, bulky item like a comforter, remove the item partway through the cycle and turn it inside out. Place the item back in the dryer and restart. This will maximize the drying effectiveness. We're here to help. Check out your use and care guide for more information. Visit www.frigidaire.com or call us at 800-374-4432. That should do it. You've got this.